Hello mini traders, welcome back to our comprehensive algo trading course here on Mini Traders channel. Today we are diving into a fundamental concept in Python programming that is crucial for producing large programs: functions. So why do we need functions in our code? And how can we enhance our trading strategies? Let's find out. In Python, a function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code repeatedly, we can encapsulate it in a function. This makes our code more modular, readable, and easier to maintain. Let's start with a basic example. We define a function using the def keyword. Then we call the function to execute the code inside it. This helps us organize our code and makes it more manageable. In the example, you can see we have defined a function called introduction. Notice that we need parentheses while we define and call a function. When we call a function, the block of code which is defined in the scope of function runs. Now, let's talk about function arguments. These are values we pass to a function. We can have multiple arguments and specify their order. Here's an example demonstrating the use of argue. We have defined a function with 3 arguments and used them for calculation. And we used return statement. It allows a function to send a result back to the code that called it. This is crucial for obtaining calculated values. What if we want a flexible number of arguments? We can use the asterisk symbol in the function definition. This allows us to pass any number of arguments. In the example, you see that we have used another function called sum, which I will explain in next videos. Now let's explore how we can pass arguments into a function using keywords. This enhances code readability and allows us to specify the values for specific parameters. Sometimes we want certain arguments to have default values, which are used if the value is not explicitly provided. This makes the function easy to use. We don't want to change every parameter of function every time. Sometimes we might need to define a function without any code inside it in the middle of our program. We use the pass statement for such cases. It acts as a placeholder and allows us to create a function without implementation. This prevents getting errors. Lastly, let's talk about lambda functions. These are anonymous functions defined using lambda keyword. We use them when we need a small one-time use function. Here are some examples demonstrating the versatility of lambda functions. If we use the lambda keyword, then the argument go first and the operation would be next. There you have it, mini traders. We've covered the fundamentals of functions in Python and demonstrated their applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content, and most important, practice these concepts in your own projects. Thanks for watching, have a good time.